What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We just got back from 2 local pickups. One of them was 50 minutes away and the other one was about 35 minutes the opposite way. So I reached out to both of them this morning at about 8 a.m. I was just flipping through Facebook Marketplace. I found 2 good deals. The first one, the one that was 50 minutes away, responded almost instantly. They wanted $200 for a Wii U set. I offered $160. I just figured, you know, I don't know the exact condition of everything. I've been burned a few times in the past, so I like to always shoot a lower offer. They shot back $180. I said, deal, let's go, let's get this done. I'll show you guys that's in the car. And then the second deal, I drove there, drove back, got home, walked inside, and then got a message from the other person saying, yeah, you could come pick it up now if you want. So I got back in my car, I turned around, and I went there. I'll show you what I got at that place, but I paid, she was asking $35 and I just gave her the $35. Didn't even try to negotiate because this was just posted late last night, like very late, 2 in the morning or something. So I want to get first dibs. Let's take a look. All right, so here is the Wii U bundle. We have a stack of games. The Wii U, the only issue is the charging brick is kind of discolored. I think it must have been sitting in the window or something for a long time. It doesn't smell like cigarette smoke or anything like that. The house was clean, so no issues there, but just the charging brick is a little discolored. Besides that, the screen on the pad is in, you know, fairly good condition. It looks like it was just wiped down with something. No big scratches, nothing like that, so that's nice. And the system itself, perfect condition. I mean, it's super clean. It's got a couple little scratches on the bottom, but really no big deal. And then of course it came with the power cord, the charger. It came with all these Disney Infinity figures, which I don't think any of these are worth anything. There might be 1 or 2 in here that are worth something that I might be able to sell, but usually not so much. I just lot these up. This Infinity pad I think goes for like $10, so I don't know. We'll deal with that later. Now let's take a quick look at the games. They're all complete and all the discs are in phenomenal condition. We have Sonic Lost World, the Deadly 6 Bonus Edition. I've actually sold this for around $15 or so on eBay. This edition's not on Amazon with this, you know, kind of holographic cover. So I throw these up on eBay and they sell pretty quick. Skylanders Giants, which isn't worth anything, but I might be able to bundle it just with all the Skylander stuff, sell it over on eBay, get some money. ESPN Sports Collection. This game used to be very rare and valuable. It's really dropped in price recently, but still complete, decent condition. Sonic All-Stars Racing Transformed Bonus Edition. Not sure about this edition, but this game still sells anywhere between $10 and $15, I believe. Another game that's not valuable at all, Disney Infinity. Again, I'll probably just bundle it and try and sell it that way. Here's a very valuable game, New Super Mario Bros. U. You know, I mean, again, valuable game, good condition. So we will try to get a lot of this stuff listed today and sell it as a merchant so we could see how fast we could recoup our money. That should be fun. Another very valuable game, New Super Luigi Bros. U. Or Super Luigi U. This game, very valuable. It's nice it's in its original green case. Always keep an eye out for the green case for Wii U. It's the only one. We have Nintendo Land, which also looks like it was sitting in a window or something. It's a little discolored, but I'm gonna sell it with the console and sell it as a bundle, as the Nintendo Land bundle on Amazon, I believe, and try and get money that way. Got Lego City Undercover, which I don't think is worth anything, but it's a cool game. I've never played it. We have Mario and Sonic at the Winter Games, Sochi. The other one, their London Games edition, is worth some good money. This is still worth money, just not as much. But everything's a little spiked right now with everybody being stuck home. So I gotta get this stuff listed today. And the last game is Super Mario 3D World. And this game, you know, good game. Mario games are usually all pretty good. So I'm gonna try and get some of this stuff listed today and see how much money we can make on this lot. Again, I paid $180 for all of this. The console should sell for over $200 by itself. Not bad. Now, for the $35 purchase, bam, 2 Xbox controllers. I was surprised when I saw $20 each on these, and they're in great condition. The only issue is this happens a lot with controllers. There's a little bit of wear on the bottom right there from somebody's hand, and that's on both of them. I see this on almost every Xbox controller I buy. You don't really see it on the black controllers because it's black and it blends in, but on these special edition controllers I see it a lot. Now this one I looked up on Amazon. It's going for over $50, maybe $60. Pop it up here obviously, and this is I'm stoked for this one, but I was even more excited for this. This came with Halo 5, I want to say. This came with Halo 5 Guardians, so keep an eye out for this. And then this one came with Halo Master Chief Collection. Now, you could tell because it says UNSC there, and on this one, it says UNSC, so keep an eye out for that. This one is selling for about $200. $200. That's why I drove right when I got home. I was walking into the house, getting ready to relax, just get my day started, do an FBA shipment, and she said, come pick them up. So I just got right back in the car and I came in and I picked these up. So I got to put batteries in them, make sure they connect, but the battery ports, and this is something I checked right away. Always open it up, take a look. Any corrosion, nothing. It looks super clean in there, and same for that one right there. So really good condition. I would have to just sell it as good condition because it has that little bit of wear on the handles, but that's okay. I mean, joysticks feel good, everything clicks good, none of the buttons are sticky, so that is awesome. So yeah, super stoked about both those pickups. Great way to start the morning. I am working on a huge FBA, Amazon FBA shipment. I mean, we're talking multiple hundred items. So I got to get that done and shipped out today. It's Thursday, it's Memorial Day weekend coming up. So I want to get everything into Amazon before the weekend is over. I live in Connecticut, and when I send things into Amazon, most of the time my big shipments go right to New Jersey. So they're only one state away. I usually, if I ship things out today before 3 o'clock, I will already have inventory ready to sell on Amazon by tomorrow. Usually, it's not always the case, usually 1 to 2 days, and I love it. So I like to be fast. If I'm doing retail arbitrage, which I just did the other day, I like to buy those items, get them shipped in the same day, so they're up on Amazon almost instantly for people to buy. Now, I did go thrifting yesterday. Thrift stores opened up in Connecticut on the 20th. It's the 21st. Not all thrift stores. One big one that I went to, that video should be coming soon. And then a bunch of Goodwills around here are all still closed, so that kind of stinks. Not much we could do about that. No thrift store, no Goodwills or anything for me. Everything in my town is still closed, so I gotta go to other towns to do thrifting, but that's all right, I did that anyways. Here's a sneak peek of some of the stuff I got thrifting. Obviously, you guys will see it all in a future video when I actually went to the thrift store and bought all this stuff, and I'll break everything down in depth. We have a bunch of packing material in here that I have to organize that I've just been storing there. My girlfriend orders from HelloFresh or Thrive Market, I think it's called Thrive Market, and they pack everything in this crazy strong like packing paper, so I like to save that for shipments. So we got to get this stuff listed, we got to get everything tested and sent into Amazon. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super stoked for these finds right here in the car, and I couldn't be happier. Sometimes it's just worth it to wake up early, hop on Facebook Marketplace, just start looking up whatever you can, right? So I just started scrolling, and then I clicked on the video game section. I scrolled a little bit, and there goes the Xbox controllers. The Wii U stuff popped up right away, right on the front page, and I messaged, you know, right away, and I had an answer within seconds. So you gotta be quick, you gotta jump on this stuff, because there's a lot of people out there trying to do the same thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya. Real quick, I just wanted to show this. Your account is at risk of deactivation. What? There's even a typo. What? have 0 violations. What? Amazon, get your stuff together, because first there's a typo. Second, I don't get why my account would even be at risk of deactivation with 0 violations, and it's not even spelled right. So yeah, that's fun. That's a fun little thing to Fun little notification to just randomly pop up on my screen. And right as I shut off the camera, I was just talking about that Sonic game that I sell on eBay. Well, a Sonic Boom, which I believe is similar to this. I'm sitting in my trunk right now. Where is the game? Uh-oh, where did I put the game? There it is. This is Sonic Lost World. I think it comes with a DVD. No, this one doesn't. But there is another game, Sonic Boom, and it comes with a DVD, and I sold the DVD on eBay for $12.95. So keep an eye out for that as well. Okay, now it's officially the end of the video. See ya.